What are we going to do today? We're going to do DIY makeup remover, guys. When you wear makeup like myself and you have the primer and all the different stuff, just trying to get your makeup off, just regular soap and water, just don't get it, guys. So this is a jar that my best friend had got from me, sent me some jelly beans. So guys, a lot of the stuff you can find in the dollar store. I got some baby oil. I got this right here. It's called Miracle Water. So instead of using real water, I got the Miracle Water, guys. And this is some other makeup remover right here. I got a little lavender because, you know, lavender helps with the anxiety. And then I got this oil. Okay, guys. So what you do first, I already sterilized and cleaned this. So what I'm going to do first is these cotton pads. You can get these from the dollar store, guys. So I'm putting that in there first because I don't want to like do it backwards. So fill your jar up with these. Okay. So that's full. Okay. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put, and if you guys have got the Miracle Water, use distilled water. Don't use it out of the sink. So I'm using my Miracle Water, and I got this out of the dollar store, guys. I got my baby oil. Okay, baby oil. I got my makeup remover. And I got my oils right here, guys. And I'm going to use 3 scoops of lavender. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is stir this up, guys. Stir it up. Okay, and final thing, just pour it in here. Okay, that's it, guys. So when you guys is ready to take off your makeup, see? When you guys are ready to take off your makeup, you'll have your little jar and it'll be ready to go, guys. And this will help you guys out a lot. A whole lot. Yep, they all wet. So when I use this tonight, guys, I will bring you guys aboard and let you guys see. But yes, DIY makeup remover, guys, at home. You guys can make your own makeup remover. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. It is nighttime, and as promised, I told you guys I was going to show you guys how I work. Okay? Get a lot of people that make these videos, but they don't do live videos of how well it take off. So you guys see? So you guys can see, it's removing the makeup very well. So I just wanted to come and give you guys live. You guys see that it is taking it off very well. So I just wanted to do a follow-up video and let you guys see that yes, it works. So I have on concealer and all of that stuff. You guys see it is lifting it right up. So should have brought a paper towel because this one is so wet, but it's removing it very well, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, you guys have an awesome night. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so if you can see, just one nice little wipe, and it was able to get off all of that mascara and everything. And I do have on eyelash extensions, so I'm trying to be mindful not to get the makeup remover on my eyelash extensions, guys. So You guys see? It takes it out very well. So you guys can make your own makeup remover instead of buying the real expensive ones. And if you guys don't find the miracle water at the Dollar Tree, just use a little bottled water or distilled water in this recipe. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye, guys. Good night. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots. But yes, guys, pick up your supplies from the Dollar Tree and make your own makeup remover, guys. And here's a picture of me all made up. Thank you, guys. Good night.